Hmm?
Hello children, good morning everybody. Are you okay? Okay, welcome to spoken English class. Did you learn the previous class topic? What we learned in the previous classes? About? Yeah, wishings, no? Yeah, let's revise it. Which are the wishings we learned? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the alphabet. Okay children, the alphabet. The alphabet. What is this? The alphabet. What is alphabet? See children, alphabet is like a family. Alphabet is like a family. In our family we have many members, no? 5, 6, 7. Many members in our family. Like this, in alphabet family has 26 members. Do you know how many members in alphabet family? There are 26 members. There are 26 members in alphabet family. Who are they? Who are the members? Is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how many members are here? How many members? 26 members. How many members? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So how many members in alphabet family? There are 26 members. Do you understand? That means these are the letters. No? These are the letters. Without alphabet, we can't write and read. Without these, we can't write and read in English language. Each language has one alphabet. Okay? Each language has one alphabet. English has one alphabet. Malayalam has one alphabet. Hindi has one alphabet. But letters are different. Okay? Letters are different. Each language has one alphabet. Don't forget, each language has one alphabet. So, how many alphabet in English language? 1. No doubt. How many alphabet in English language? 1. And how many letters in English alphabet? 26. Can you understand? How many letters in English alphabet? 26. Okay? Don't forget. How many alphabet in English language? How many alphabet in English language? 1. Only one alphabet. And how many letters? How many letters? 26 letters. Okay. And these letters we can write in 2 ways. We can write these letters in 2 ways. Which are they? Capital letters and small letters. Okay? Capital letters and small letters. Very clear. Capital letters and one alphabet. How many alphabet in English language? One alphabet. And how many letters in English alphabet? 26 letters. How many letters in English alphabet? 26 letters. And these letters we can write in two ways. First one, capital letters. Okay, capital letters and small letters. These are called capital letters. These are called capital letters. And then next is A, B, C, D, right like this. These are called small letters. Now, so how many letters? 26. How many letters in English alphabet? Say 26. And remember that when you write your name, the first letter should be capital. Okay? When you write your name, the first letter should be capital. Suppose, say what's your name? Yeah. Aaron. Yes, very good. And yours? Anna. Anna, say your full name. Anna Joshi. Good. So, here write Anna Joshi. Anna Joshi. Okay, this is her name. Anna Joshi. So, this is the name. This is her name. Anna is her name. And this is called surname. What is this? Surname. This is name. Both are name, but it is called surname. What is it? Surname. Surname means his father's name. That is called surname. So when you write your name, the first letter should be capital. The first letter should be capital. That means here the name is Anna. So A should be capital because this is the first letter of her name. Okay, so first letter should be capital. And next is surname. What is her surname? Joshi. What is her surname? Joshi. The first letter here also, the first letter should be capital. J should be capital. Okay, so with these letters we can write many words. We can write many words. Like fish, then bought, then what is next? Say some of them. Then a bird. Okay. Without these letters, we can't write any words. Okay. Now we can't write any words in English. Are you clear? With the help of these letters, we can write and read in English language, and we can write our name also. Okay? Do you know how to write your name? Do you know how to write your name? All of you learn. Try to learn how to write your name. Okay? So what we learned? From this chapter? This first chapter in your textbook is the alphabet. What is it? The alphabet. What is alphabet? Alphabet is like a family. It is like a family. In this family, there are 26 members. How many numbers in this alphabet? In this family? Yes, 26 members. Okay. Which are they? These are the members. That means A to Z. A to Z. Without these, we can't write and read in English language. We can't write and read. That means each language has one alphabet. Each language has one alphabet. English has one alphabet. Malayalam has one alphabet. Hindi has one alphabet. But the letters are different. The letters are different. Okay? And we can write these letters in two ways. These letters we can write in two ways. Capital letters and Anthony Thomas. This is his name, no? And this is his surname. Okay, so it is called Anthony is his name and his surname is Thomas. Okay, so did you understand what is meant by surname? Did you understand? Good. So in your textbook, you will see the first chapter, the alphabet. Okay, this is the first chapter of your textbook. So all of you try to write your name here. The space is given here, and here you have to write your full name. Okay, full name you have to write here. Did you understand? Okay, very good. And this is the topic, today's topic. Did you understand, all of you? Yes. So again say, how many letters in English alphabet? How many letters in English alphabet? 26. How many alphabet in English language? How many alphabet in English language? 1. There is no doubt. How many alphabet in English language? 1. Each language has 1 alphabet. Each language has 1 alphabet. Okay, and try to write here your name, your full name. Okay, and see the next class, that's today's class. So let's wind up today's class. Okay, did you understand? Yes, very good. So let's wind up. See you next class. Okay, thank you.